Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to read the blurred text, which was blurred with a white marker. On a black background, the text is smudged with a white marker. I used to make a video on how to read text smudged with a black marker. Here will be a hint. So how do we see the text? To do that, we need the Snapseed app. You can get it for both iOS and Android. It is absolutely free. Come here. Here we click on Add a photo. Add the photo we want. Here click Settings and click Tune Image and open these settings. This is a simple photo editor. Then you set all the parameters like I did. Now we save our picture, and you can see that the text is already visible. You can read all the letters. As you can see, this is a very easy and fast way. Done. There is nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.